Hello, good morning, my children. Today we will discuss about English lesson 4.2 Baby Pangolins Night Out. From starting, I am reading this lesson and please listen. After that, we discuss about the difficult words and so more questions. Baby Pangolins Night Out. Come, baby, wake up. We will go and eating today. Mama Pangolin gave a gentle, loving push to her 1-month-old baby with her long, tapering mouth. Baby was still drowsy after a day's sleep. Mother tried to persuade him. You keep asking me to take you out. You say you are tired of drinking milk all the time. Now get up, get ready. No, don't, said Baby, stretching his long tail lazily. I don't want to walk all the way. Don't worry, said Mama. I will carry you on my tail. Goodbye. Come on, it's time. No, Mama set him on her tail and finally brought him out of the home. Their home was a snug hole in the earth, 9 inches wide and more than a meter long. Mama cautioned Baby to sit tight and hold on to her scales with his claws. She began to walk steadily and cautiously. Just then, a porcupine went past them. Who's that? Baby wondered. Oh, that's a porcupine. And who are we? Mama began to explain as they walked. We are pangolins. We have many cousins. Four of them are in Africa and four are in Asia. We live in India, so people call us Indian pangolins. In the northern part of India, our cousins Chinese pangolins are also seen. This is the figure of the and the baby. Now see, by now, Mama and baby had reached the anthill. Mama used her strong, sharp, and curved front claws to quickly demolish the anthill. The rats inside began to run helter-skelter and out. In and out went Mother's 1.5 foot long sticky tongue. She began to devour the termites. Look, baby, they are delicious. Eat them up quickly. This is how we pangolins gobble up termites. Baby watched mother and tried to follow her example. Slowly, slowly, as baby could do it too, in and out, in and out went his teeny tongue. This was his first solid meal after being immersed on mother's milk for a month, and he found the termites truly delicious, just like mother had said they would be. She too was happy. Good, baby, remember, this is the proper food for us, pangolin. We do not have teeth like other animals, so this is what we eat. Just then, Mama smelled something in a trays. She pulled her baby to herself and held him close to her belly. She hid behind a rock and pulled her long body together into the right wall. Anyone would think she was just another piece of rock. After a while, the smell diminished. It seemed to come from a safe distance. Mama loosened her tail a bite and listened carefully. She sensed a bright light passing on, and with its some sound, she uncurled herself very cautiously and let the baby go. Did you note the smell just now? Remember it better than anything else. This is the smell of man. Some of them are wicked beyond measure. They search for our holes, nests, and dig them up. They kill us, eat our flesh, and sell our scales to earn loads and loads of money. Humans think our scales are medicinal. Long ago, when only tribal people living in the jungle knew about us, the situation was not so bad. They too killed animals, but not for greed. Now you have to be on your guard against greedy people such as those we smelled just now. When we step out for our nighttime wandering, they flash harsh torchlights, spot us, and then shoot us with their guns. These very same weak people have destroyed our habitats, habitats and cleared away jungle. There is no room for us to build our homes and to roam around anyone anymore. Life is now full of hardships. You can never tell when someone lurking around might kill you. Be warned, baby. Be careful. Now, you also see the some difficult word up to this stanza. The first one, you are saying here, cautioned, that is warned. वार्न का मतलब कि आपको सचेत करना courteously माने केयरफुली दिस मीनिंग द सावधानी पूर्वक सावधानी पूर्वक गेस द मीनिंग ऑफ अंट हिल इसका मीनिंग आप को गेस कर रहे हैं डिवोर eat quickly and a lot at a time मतलब जल्दी जल्दी खाना what do babies eat as their first solid meal? Discuss. You can discuss about with your friend कि जो आदमी का बच्चा होता है वह ठोस के रूप में क्या ग्रहण करता है शुरुआत में वो क्या ग्रहण करता है इन ए ट्राइस मतलब क्विकली बेली मतलब स्टमक पेट डिमोनाइज्ड का मतलब रिड्यूस कम करना छोटा करना या कम करना बियॉन्ड द मीजर विदाउट लिमिट बियॉन्ड द मीजर विदाउट लिमिट मीन्स अनलिमिटेड जिसको बोलते हैं लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ ए लॉट लोड्स एंड लोड्स ऑफ का मतलब ए लॉट ऑफ मतलब बहुत अधिक सो प्लीज ट्राई टू give the answer of the question. What did Mama Pangolin do? Why? मामा पेंगुलिन ने क्या किया और क्यों? Then you try to find the answer of this question. How did Mama Pangolin carry her baby? मामा पेंगुलिन ने अपने बच्चे को कैसे कैरी किया या ले गई. What did Mama and baby see on their way? मामा ने और उसके बच्चे ने क्या देखा? Guess where they live? ऐसा ये करिए कि वे कहाँ रहते थे. ओके, दैट्स ऑल. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फॉर टुडे लेसन. ओके, थैंक यू.